It's an autumn here in Rostov, and one more thing, it's super duper cold now. In this episode I'm going to replace engine and cabin air filters, and besides that I want to clean my motor blower fan, which is located right here. Last time when I replaced the filters it was about 5,000 kilometers ago, so mostly I install new twice in a year, after the winter and after the summer. And yeah, I'm really sorry for the delay with posting the video. Basically it was because of my 1 week Cyprus trip. But anyway, I hope you like this new video, so check this out. As you could see, the cabin air filter was clogged by the leaves, and there were also some leaves in the motor blower fan, but now it's nice and clean. And by the way, the engine air filter was quite good. Well, that's it for today. All information about the filters will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Let's go for a ride!